Welcome back to the future of content creation, where we explore the limitless potential of artificial intelligence on Davil AI Matrix. Today we are diving deep into 3 incredible AI video generators that are completely free and leave absolutely no watermarks behind. Whether you want to turn simple text into movies or animate static images, these tools will revolutionize your entire creative workflow. Let us begin our journey with Slop Club, a versatile platform that supports both text-to-video and image-to-video generation. One of its strongest features is the ability to choose from various AI models, giving you control over the final aesthetic. You can easily customize aspect ratios, selecting 16:9 for YouTube cinematic shots or 9:16 for vertical reels. The output quality here is truly remarkable, offering high-definition details that make your generated videos look professional and incredibly sharp. Users will appreciate the impressive motion blur effects, which add a layer of realism to fast-moving subjects in your scenes. Simply type your creative prompt into the text box, select your preferred settings, and watch as the magic happens instantly on screen. For image to video, upload your static picture and the AI will analyze the composition to bring it to life seamlessly. Notice how the lighting shifts naturally across the subject, proving that free tools can indeed compete with premium paid software solutions. While generation times can vary based on server load, the wait is worth it for the Watermark-free, high-quality results. Slop Club stands as a strong contender for creators needing flexibility and quality without spending a single penny on expensive subscriptions. Next on our list is Qwen AI, a powerful tool developed by Alibaba that pushes the boundaries of speed and intelligence. Speed is the name of the game here, with most videos processing in just about 30 seconds, saving you valuable time. What makes Qwen truly unique is its ability to automatically generate dialogue, adding a narrative layer to your visual creations instantly. It also intelligently inserts text overlays based on the input image, making it perfect for storytelling and dynamic social media content. Let us test this by uploading a character image and asking the AI to generate a short action sequence with dialogue. The system analyzes the image context rapidly, determining the best animation style and suitable voice lines for the character in seconds. The lip synchronization is surprisingly accurate for a free tool, and the generated voice matches the rugged appearance of our warrior. Notice how the embedded text aligns with the visual style, creating a cohesive video package without needing external editing software tools. This tool is an absolute game changer for short-form content creators who need to produce engaging narrative videos very quickly, with its rapid processing and smart audio-visual integration. Qwen AI proves that speed does not always have to compromise quality. Our third powerhouse is Grok AI, a tool that has gained significant attention for its advanced understanding of physical laws and motion. Grok excels at simulating complex physics such as the fluid movement of water or the delicate way fabric moves in wind. If you thought the previous tool was fast, Grok is even faster, often delivering results in under 10 seconds per clip. Watch closely as we generate a scene of falling cherry blossom petals to test how it handles gravity and wind resistance. The movement is incredibly natural, with each petal drifting uniquely rather than following a repetitive or artificial-looking animation loop pattern. Now let us try something harder like ocean waves, which are notoriously difficult for artificial intelligence to render correctly and realistically. The water displacement looks physically accurate, showing that Grok understands how liquid interacts with solid objects in a 3-dimensional space. It follows prompts with high fidelity, ensuring that the physics engine respects the specific instructions you provide in your text description. This efficiency allows you to iterate quickly, generating dozens of variations in the time it takes other tools to make one. For creators who prioritize realistic motion and lightning-fast turnaround times, Grok AI is undoubtedly a tool you must try today. Now, let us put these 3 giants to the ultimate test by using the exact same prompt for a direct comparison. We will use the prompt "A futuristic astronaut walking on Mars" to see how each AI interprets style, color, and camera angles. Slop Club delivers a highly cinematic look with deep shadows and dramatic lighting, focusing heavily on texture and atmospheric visual details. Qwen AI chooses a more dynamic camera angle, adding a sense of urgency and action to the astronaut's movement across the surface. Grok AI shines in the details of the environment, specifically how the red dust kicks up realistically with every single step. Each tool offers a distinct artistic flavor, so your choice depends on whether you need atmosphere, action, or physical realism. Before we finish, I have a bonus tool called Refont, perfect for creating typography, signatures, and artistic handwriting for your brand. Refont allows you to generate unique font styles that can elevate your video thumbnails, channel banners, and personal branding materials instantly. Adding a custom signature or artistic title to your AI-generated videos gives them a professional polish that stands out online. We have explored Slop Club for quality, Quen for narrative speed, Grok for physics, and Refont for that final artistic touch. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest AI technology. Thank you for watching Davil AI Matrix. Keep experimenting with these free tools, and I will see you in the next video.